we are going to use Rafay API to import an EKS cluster to Rafay. We are going to use the same doc we used in the last section, which is import cluster imperative document. We already have a cluster deployed in our environment. We are going to now import the same onto Rafay. Let's go to Rafay UI, click on new cluster, click on import existing Kubernetes cluster, select the public cloud at Amazon EKS and provide a suitable name for the same. I'm going to use the same name we have used to create the EKS cluster. You can choose a different name as well. Select the appropriate options here and click on continue. Now once this is ready, we'll head to home, click on API docs and go to our Swagger UI. The first thing we need to find out is the project ID we are in. Search for project and try to get the project ID. This is the current project ID we have. We'll just copy it. Next, we are going to create a values file with our values YAML API. Provide the project ID and the cluster name. By default, this is in YAML format, but you can choose to download this in JSON format as well. Now once you click on execute, a values file in YAML format is generated. You can download this. Now this is in text format. You can convert this into a YAML file. Let us quickly do that. Now that we have created a values file, we will refer our Rafay doc document and run this command. We'll need to make slight modifications here, such as giving the name of the file which we just created in the values section. Hit enter. It should take a couple of minutes. We can go to our cluster and hit refresh once. We can see that it's deployed. We have also seen that it has started provisioning the cluster. We'll give it a few minutes. The next stage is also complete now, and we can also see one of the add-on in the blueprint is already deployed. We have now completed the namespace sync, and the last stage, which is the blueprint sync, is in progress. Blueprint sync is now complete. Let's check the cluster status. The cluster reachability check is a success and the control plane shows healthy. Thank you.